Sundar Pichai becomes Alphabet CEO as Google co-founders step down. Google co-founders Larry Page and Sergey Brin have announced Google CEO Sundar Pichai is replacing Page as a CEO of parent company Alphabet. Larry Page and Sergey Brin have decided to transition from their roles as CEO and president, respectively, of Alphabet. A press release by Alphabet stated, "Alphabet and Google no longer need two CEOs and a president," it added. "This won't affect Alphabet's structure. Pichai on being appointed Alphabet CEO on being appointed as Alphabet CEO." Google CEO Sundar Pichai in a letter addressed to employees said, "I want to be clear that this transition won't affect the Alphabet structure or the work we do day to day." He added, "I'll continue to be very focused on Google. At the same time, I am excited about Alphabet," he further said. Fixing tech glitch taking more time than expected. HDFC on net banking outages. HDFC Bank's net banking outage entered its second day on Tuesday. The bank said, "Resolution of the technical glitch is taking more time than anticipated. While some customers are able to transact using net banking and mobile banking app, a few may still be facing intermittent issues," it added. Users complained that the glitch delayed their salaries and bill payments.